gamble on the length. Goes again. Again, good use of the feet. Excellent use of the feet this time. So then, 20,000 rupees being donated for every 6 to hospitals. Shot only early on in the innings, but any left hand. And just conveniently smashed through the offside. Complete dom. But welcome with a boundary. Couple of bounces, just no fielder at deep mid-wicket. Excellent, really good. New
shot in the gap. Can't afford to be wide with third. It's in the gap. One. 50 up for Fakhar Zaman. It's off just 22 balls. Hey. Taken. Yeah, good catch. On he goes, Fakhar Zaman.
And that's gone for 6. Solid blow. Not that high off the. Cries of catch it, and that is a blinder. What a find.
Fakhar Zaman, and he'll be very disappointed. He just needed a centimetre or 2 either side.
That's short. Has it been hit far enough? Yes, it has. That's gone for.
Last 5 overs.
Catch it!
Good catch. Good return catch.
Entice the batsman to come down. Hafiz just closing the face of the bat a little bit more than he would have liked. It's a really sharp.
That's gone high and long and just clears. Nicely taken, but not slapped away over the top of extra cover. That's helped on its way to deep square leg, but it finds deep square leg. Oh dear, that's the low full toss and down the leg side, which is the sort of thing. Now this has gone high and it's going to clear long on by a distance. Oh, a bolt. Dahani, Shahnawaz Dahani. Rashid Khan starts with a flashing boundary. Where has that gone? That is almost unbelievable. Dahani did so little wrong with this one. This is an incredible shot.
And some swing first up. Bit of work for Dunk. Oh, that's whipped away. That's one bounce for 4. That's a short ball. Helped on its way. That is a really good shot. Oh, that's a great shot. My goodness gracious me, that is brilliant.
Catch it!
Cries of catch it, but he's hit that out of the screws.
It's in the gap. It's in the gap. Just chipped.
Very subtle and using. Oh, that's a great hit. That's the way to start an over with the bats.
A big boundary this time off the first ball of the over. So the rest of the over, they can relax a little bit, I guess. They need to go at 10s. That's all they need. 6 of the first.
Yes!
Bowled him. That's the response that you might expect from Rashid Khan from 50 deliveries. Comes out the back of the hand.
What a shot. What an incredible shot. We've seen some wonderful shots throughout. And the comeback. And perhaps the biggest moment of the day so far. And a wicket. And they're still just about in it. Yes, Multan will fit. Heave down the ground. And enough. Just enough. For a moment, long off was in the game. well, we're going to have to see that again. For all... Unbelievable. You don't see that very often. Yes, a good clip of that off stump, and somehow the bail finds itself. And taken. And taken. Dramatic scenes here. The skipper's back at it again. Maxu can do nothing about it. He wanted to find the gap. He didn't. And it's a really good, sharp, low catch.
The over excellent. But this tops it off beautifully. Going forward, not so easy. And he's gone forward. In the end, taking it quite comfortably. Afridi's catching it himself there. Wonderful.
4 required. And that will do nicely. What a finish. What an unbelievable run chase from the Multan Sultans. Set up beautifully at the start by the skipper. They will enjoy this moment. It's been a really tough one for Shaheen Shah Afridi and his team, who batted so well.